Do you know that averagely 90% of Revit users faces this? Stay tuned. Are you facing the same problem? You've tried grouping them, but it doesn't seem to work. I understand the stress completely. Why this happened? First, do this. Follow me closely. In-place families are stored globally in the project, not inside groups. So when you group or copy a building that includes an in-place casework, the group only holds a reference to it, not the actual geometry. When you move the group, Revit can't move the in-place element because it's not really part of the group, even if it looks like it is. Now you can group them, and you will be able to copy and paste without having the same issue again. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. You're welcome.